So guys, in today's time, having a passive income source is very much important. Now there are multiple ways by which you can simply generate your passive income. Now one way is by monetizing your skills. Now how can you do that? It's simple. You can just create your online course. For example, if you're interested in music, for example, you're interested in cooking or dancing, you can just simply create a course and you can sell it online and you can start earning money. Now where can you create this course? So today's video is all about that. I'm going to explain you about Teachmore, which is a platform which will help you to create this online course and to sell it. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and let's start the video. So for that, all you have to do is you have to open Google. On Google, you can simply search for Teachmore. So now guys, you can see you will get teachmore.com over here. You just have to select that website, and as soon as you select, you are on the web page of teachmore.com. So Teachmore is by Teachmint, and on the home page you can see there are multiple things like you can India's #1 course selling platform, sell course online on your platform with Teachmore. So these are the basic things which you can see on the home page. Another thing is there are 5,000 plus courses already available on Teachmore platform, and 10,000 plus creators are joined and they have generated 50 million plus income. So that is a good thing. Now you do get a option of starting a free trial now. So if you want to create a course, all you have to do is you have to tap on this start free trial. So there are 3 steps as you can see. So these are this is for signing up for the platform. So all you have to do is on the first step it will ask you that are you already creating and selling online courses. So if you are selling, you have to select yes. If you are not, then you can select the second option, which is no, I do not sell courses right now. So I'm going to select the second option. After selecting that, you get 2 options over here. One is for do you have any Instagram or YouTube channel, or second one is no, I do not create any online content. If you are already creating a content on YouTube or Instagram, you can select the first option, or else you can go with the second one. So I'm going to go with second one because I'm going to guide you that if you're creating it for the first time, how can you do it. So we have selected the second one. You have to click on next option. On the next page, you have to enter your name, your email ID, your mobile number and password. And if you want any update on WhatsApp, you can just tick mark that checkbox, and after that you can select your country and you can create your account. So I'll fill up the details quickly and I will show you. So I have entered all the details over here. Now all you have to do is you have to simply select your country and then you can create your account. So now we are on the third step, as you can see. Now here you have to enter the name of your academy. That will be your subdomain as well, and then you can select the categories. So we'll do that very quickly. So for example, if I'm teaching about I'm going to start a music course, so I'm going to give my name like music with PS. So that will be my subdomain as well. As you can see here, I have written the academy name and that is my subdomain, which is music with PS. Now all you have to do is you have to select the category. Now you can see there are multiple category available over here. So academics is there, business is there, competitive exams are there, cooking, dancing, design, fitness, job upscaling, music. And if any of the category is not if you are trying to do anything new, if that category is not mentioned over here, you can simply select the last option, which is others. So as I'm making course about music, so I'm going to select music. Then all you have to do is you have to click on create my academy. So on the next step, as you can see, the sign up is successful. Now you have to enter your course name, whichever course you are preparing, you have to enter the name for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it as music for beginners. You can also skip this part, but as I'm showing that how you can create from the scratch, I'm showing everything. Now you have to click on create my first course. So you will get an option like creating your academy. You have to wait for some time. So now the main work starts over here. So as you can see, there are multiple things: content, details, rule, pricing, more. So sign up has been completed, your academy name and course name is completed. All you can do is now you have to create sections. Like if you're preparing a music video for beginners in your course, so I can add sections like introduction, first part, second part, whichever you want. So you can simply create the sections. For example, I'm going to start with introduction. Description you can give whichever you want. I'm just showing an example, and you have to click on add new section. So you can see a section has been created over here. Now for adding a new section, you have to write another thing on add new section over here, as you can see. So first part or second part, whichever thing you want, you can just type that. Description, you can write anything you want, and you can click on add new section. So you can create your course section by section, which will make easier for the students to understand, and it will help them. So this is for the content part. As you can see, now we'll check out what is there in details. So in details, you have to give a short overview about your course. So name of the course is here. You can give short description and full description, so that while purchasing your course, they will be able to see these details and it will be easier for them to purchase it. So that's it. You have to enter the full description and short description in this page. And also you have to add keywords so that your course can be searched if anyone is searching for music course and all. So you can keep categories, you can keep any change the categories later. You can change the language and all, and also you can create a price over here. So these are the basic things which you can do on this particular page. If you have any YouTube videos or something, you can just paste the URL over here and they will be searching for your videos as well. Also, you can create a promo video, and you have to keep it under 2 GB, and you have to, if you want to upload the promo video, you have to click on upload option. So these are the basic things which you can create. You can create cover image. So these are things on the details page. Now let's check out what is there in rules. So now in rules, you get two options, which is enforce lesson order and enforce video watching. So in enforce lesson order, what you can create is, until and unless your first lesson is completed by the student, they won't be able to skip to the second one. So that is a good thing. So that, if anyone is starting first course and they want to directly go to second course, they won't be able to go, because they have to watch the first course, and then after that they will be able to switch to a new one. So you can just click that tab. And the second option is enforce video watching. So if your video is of 5 minutes, for example, then you can make it compulsory to at least watch it for 3.5 minutes or 4 minutes at least, and only after that they will be able to go to the next part. So that is again a good thing to keep your students engaged in your videos. So you can just click it and you can click on save option. So next thing is, you can create a drip over here, which is you can manage the students like when they will have an access to your content and all. So you can read it, manage when students will have access to the content, of course. So you can create a drip at that time. So that is again a good thing. Next, we'll take a look at pricing. So in pricing, you can select the country. You can create a price for Android and iOS, and also you can add a discounted price whenever you want. And expiry also, you can select it, like lifetime, expiry date, or duration. If you want to keep any duration, you can select it. Also, you can select a start date from which your course will be started. So you can enter each and every details, and you can create your own course by following all these steps. Now let's take a look at more option. So in more option, the first option is final quiz. So you can add a question or add a final quiz after each and every course or each and every lesson. So that is a good thing. Now the next option is users. In user page, currently there are no users, because as I have just created the course, you can see 0 enroll users. So you will be able to check out your students over here. So if, for example, 100 students have been enrolled, you will be able to check out the details in this page. So that is about the user page. Now in promotions, you can add some coupons and all, so that you can offer your course at discounted price. Also, you can upsell your course. For example, as I have created music for beginners, if I want to create next course which will be on a next step ahead of beginners, so you can, after this course, you can just simply put a link of that next course, so that after completing this beginners course, they can go to the next one. So yeah, coupons and upsells in promotion option. So now let's take a look at final one, which is second last one, which is admin role. So you can assign a role to the instructor, or you can assign content managers over there. So all the admin work will be done on this particular page over here. Now let's go to last option, which is settings. Now in this one, you can rename your course if you want to. So if I want to rename it as music for beginners to music for intermediate or something, so I can do that. I can change the name. Next is coupon code. You can, as I told you, you can add coupon code. So also there is one option which is restrict coupon code. So stop user from using any coupon code for this course. So if you want to restrict any coupon code, you can you will be able to do that as well. Now next one is availability. So you can limit your access, that the course can be done only on mobile apps or something. So you can also do that over here. So if you want to hide your curriculum, that is in curriculum section.
So you can do that as well. So after checking each and every box, you have to click on save that, so that the settings might be saved. In SEO, all you have to do is you have to use some hashtags and all, so that your course can be found each and everywhere. And then the next option is delete course. If you want to delete course, if you want to update this particular course, then you can delete the previous course and you can update and upload the next one.
So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood how can you generate money online by just creating or by just monetizing your skills. So if you like this video, it was informative, then you can just hit that like button as well as the subscribe button down there. So I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.